Welcome to Unlocking the Beyond Guided Astral Projection Meditation for Beginners. In this session, we will explore the fascinating realm of astral projection and learn how to navigate it as beginners. So, find a quiet and comfortable space. Get into a relaxed sitting or lying position and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with pure, positive energy, and exhale any stress or tension you may be feeling. Relax your body, starting from your toes and moving up to the top of your head. Now, focus your attention on your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Imagine each breath filling you with a vibrant, soothing energy. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a calming beam of white light surrounding your body. Feel this light enveloping you, bringing you a sense of peace and serenity. Now imagine yourself floating above your physical body. Visualize your ethereal self gently detaching from your physical form, as if you are watching yourself from a distance. As you hover above, notice the world around you. This is the astral plane, a dimension where your consciousness can travel freely. Feel the weightlessness and freedom of this state. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more connected to this astral realm. Imagine a doorway or portal appearing before you. Step through it and allow yourself to explore this new world. You may encounter different landscapes and colors, or even encounter guides or past loved ones. Trust your intuition and follow the path that resonates with you. As your journey comes to a close, imagine yourself gently returning to your physical body. Feel the connection between your astral and physical self growing stronger. Take a moment to express gratitude for this experience and the knowledge you have gained. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings, wiggling your fingers and toes and opening your eyes when you are ready. Thank you for joining this guided astral projection meditation for beginners. We hope this session has given you an introduction to the incredible world of astral travel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more guided meditations and spiritual content. May your astral journeys be enlightening and transformative.